7:15 a.m. U.S. time, and an identified flying object appeared over New York City.
She's our main competition. She was the big winner for the last previous 2 editions. You think we can beat her?
澳門咁細嘅城市，有幾個女仔可以變到世界知名嘅環保大師喎？你估佢知道會反對咩？
末日帝國就係一班暗地裏支持取締地球計劃嘅組織。
We need to stop them. They are trying to destroy the world.
美樹，將隻手指交俾我，
快啲帶美樹走！
喂，開槍！